Hi, today let's make tasty white vegetable pulao. It's a lovely recipe. I would recommend you trying this. In a bowl, add in chopped carrot. Next, I've added in chopped tomatoes. Now I'll be adding in chopped beans. I've added in chopped peas and chopped potatoes. You can add in any veggies of your choice. If you want, you can add in capsicum or you can add in broccoli as well. Here I've added in salt to taste and I'm adding in yogurt and mix it really very well. And I'll marinate it for 10 minutes and keep it aside. Now in a heavy bottom pot, I've added in oil. Then I've added in some whole spices like fennel, cumin, bay leaves, big elaichi, cinnamon and cardamom. Once the flavor is infused in the oil, I've added in sliced onions and fried really very well. Now the onions needs to turn slightly pink and brown. That is when you need to add in sliced green chilies as well. If you like more spicy, increase the green chilies. Then I've added in ginger garlic paste and mix it really very well till the raw smell goes. That is where the base of the masala, if it's really very well roasted, then the biryani or the pulao turns out to be really very good. Now I'm adding in the marinated veggies with just salt and curd. That's a very simple recipe, but it's a very beautiful and tasty kind of pulao, I would suggest. Now mix the veggies really very well with all of the ingredients. See to that each and every veggies are beautifully mixed. And when you see that one boil coming in, that time I'm adding in basmati rice. Here I've soaked basmati rice for at least 30 minutes, cleaned and washed. And now I've added it to the pot. Now I'm adding in hot water. Always keep in mind to add in hot water. Otherwise the temperature difference will cause the flavor of the pulao to go bad as well. I've added in garam masala powder and now I've added in some coriander leaves as well. Once you see it boiling, close it and close it with the lid and at least keep it for a low dum for at least 20 minutes. And your super tasty one pot white vegetable pulao is ready. Mix it really very well and that's it. Your super tasty, super simple vegetable pulao is ready. It's perfect for your lunch, dinner or tiffin or those days where you don't want to cook but it's a wholesome meal. I would definitely recommend you to try this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.